Welcome back from Graphic Extras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to load more gradients into Photoshop Elements 12. Now, first thing to do is go to the expert mode, not quick or guided but expert, and you'll see over here a little icon. Just select that and you'll see this panel appear. Okay, once you've got that, you can actually go down here and you can just select obviously one of the default ones, and I'm just going to reset actual. These are the reset gradients. Okay, this is the standard set of gradients that come with Photoshop Elements 12. Also, there are other options, obviously other gradients, but you can also find gradients on the web and gradients from Graphic Extras. And my gradients I've created. There's a whole selection of different gradient designs. Click open there, and once you've actually done that, of course you can use those gradients as well in the application. You can load, and that just appends to the existing set. You can also use replace, which removes all the previous ones. You can also reset, which basically puts it back to the default set. Also, there's obviously an option drop down here, selection of special effects, quite nice ones actually, spectrum, pastels, etc. Now, one thing, once you've actually loaded the gradients, of course you can, I'm just going to select one of the default ones here. Just select that one and you can actually use them, of course. And one of the things you can do is apply them with blending modes. You don't actually have to apply them in normal mode, that's the default, but you can actually apply with, say, like darken or difference, and difference creates some of the more interesting color effects. But all the others actually can be used in numerous ways, especially if you've got an image. If you've got an image that's open, you can actually apply obviously darken, etc, etc, or hard light, hard mix, linear light, etc. Right, just going to quickly apply gradient, and you can apply at different positions, and you can use it, of course, for a great source of additional backgrounds. So just at this point, it's actually quite a nice little background that you could use. You could define that, maybe use that as a source for a pattern, or maybe for brush strokes. You could actually just go to image, enhance. You could do all the various things here to modify the design, convert to black and white, and you can tweak it obviously to create, again, surreal, different. Click OK. That's quick and easy, but I'm actually just going to continue just to quickly show different, and again just multiple applies, and you can really create some really extreme color effects, which of course once you've actually created those, you can then go to the guided mode and you can continue with modifying it using some of the sort of basic effects that come with Photoshop Elements 12. Of course, I've actually applied them using, so I'm just going to fill, don't want to do that, and I'm just going to go to gradient, and I'm actually using radial at the moment because you could use linear, you could use angle, reflected, as well as the diamond option as well. So I'm just going to go for the angle, and you can just crisscross effects, and you can quite very fragmented design, which of course you can then go to filters, blur, so you don't have to keep that. You can actually use that as just part of the design. Let's say you can go to guided, and maybe you can apply a zoom burst. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you found this tutorial of interest and you'll explore the gradients and different gradient blends. Really quite good for vast range of different color effects in Photoshop Elements 12. Anyway, hope you please subscribe to the Graphic Extras channel, always adding new tutorials every couple of days. Thank you much.